Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has always been known for keeping its upcoming products under wraps, but the buzz around the iPhone 16 series is just too loud to ignore. So let's take a deep dive into what we can expect from the next big thing in the smartphone world. Display, a brighter future. Let's start with the display, which is essentially the window to your digital world. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are rumored to feature larger screens, with sizes of 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, respectively. These models will sport LTPS displays, which is fantastic news for those who love a bigger canvas for browsing, gaming, and watching videos. On the other hand, the Pro models, including the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, are expected to come with premium LTPO OLED technology. These displays are renowned for their smoother refresh rates, potentially reaching up to 120 Hz. This means buttery smooth scrolling and a more responsive feel overall. Powerhouse performance. The A18 chip under the hood, all iPhone 16 models are expected to receive a significant performance boost with the new A18 chip. This next-generation chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3M process, promises substantial improvements in both processing power and efficiency. While specific details are still under wraps, some analysts suggest a differentiation between the standard A18 chip in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, and the more powerful A18 Pro chip in the Pro variants. Storage options. Keeping up with your growing needs, storage options are also expected to see an upgrade. The base models might start with 256 GB, a welcome change from the previous generation's 128 GB. Camera upgrades. Capturing memories in a whole new light. The camera department is always a focal point for iPhone upgrades, and the iPhone 16 series is no exception. While details are still emerging, rumors suggest a significant leap in camera technology, especially for the Pro models. The standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus could feature a dual camera system with a 48MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. Battery life is a crucial aspect for any smartphone, and Apple seems to be taking note. Leaks suggest that the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus could see a bump in battery capacity, reaching 3,450 mAh and 4,420 mAh, respectively. The iPhone 16 Pro might stick with a 3,450 mAh battery, but the Pro Max could see a significant increase to 4,500 mAh. Additionally, there are whispers about faster charging capabilities, possibly reaching 30W for the standard models. Design changes for the iPhone 16 series are still up for debate. Some leaks suggest the standard models might retain the current design, with a notch housing the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. One interesting rumor suggests the arrival of a new dedicated capture button on all iPhone 16 models. This button could be positioned on the side of the phone and would be specifically designed for taking photos and videos. The iPhone 16 Pro Max could reach a hefty $1,300. Battery life has always been a critical factor for smartphone users, and the iPhone 16 series aims to address this concern head-on. The rumored increase in battery capacity, along with the more efficient A18 chip, should result in noticeable improvements in battery life. Fast charging capabilities are also expected to see an upgrade. The iPhone 16 series might support up to 30W fast charging, reducing the time you need to stay plugged in. The iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in recent years. With significant upgrades across the board, from display and performance to camera and battery life, Apple seems poised to set new standards in the smartphone industry once again. So stay tuned to the channel, hit the subscribe button, And let us know in the comments below what features you're most excited about in the upcoming iPhone 16 series. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.